So I have to shift it so I can edit this one too. Be going ahead. So you increase the sizes to number 4 to 4%. So this one has reduced. You increase it to 4. So everything will be equal. Change the position, arrange it properly, and bring this one down a bit so it's not jam packed. So that's it. You just start filling your informations. Right? I don't know, but this is just you change the fonts. Change the fonts. Use a good font. You can select nice fonts. Alright. So I'm copying this. So we're editing it. So your phone number. Okay. You copy this and put your contacts. Since it's WhatsApp, let me add Nigeria code. So what is the WhatsApp? If you have a WhatsApp page, what's the name of your WhatsApp page? So I'm just going to edit and put .homes, and that is it. This is just all we need to do for your company. So you can decide to give them different colors. You can give them different colors. So first of all, let's work on. You can decide to change the font because this font is not looking good. So I like to change the font. So change your fonts. Can make this bolder. So you choose a nice font. Good. This is too bolder. Right? and also make sure to arrange it properly. So you have to arrange it. Let's arrange it. Let's arrange this stuff we are doing here. So we're arranging them for you not to be too crowded. Right? So we have to reduce. If we have to, you have to. You have to make your work look neat. Be neat. Not just looking neat, but it has to be neat too. So this one, you move it down here, shift this here, and move this one too. So you see the fonts, the writings are much, the numbers, they are too big. You have to reduce it. Yes, you can add your address, add your motto, and any other thing you want to add. You can add your address, add your motto, add anything you want to add. So let's join this together, the company logo and the name together, and let's change the colors. So you go to your texture, you select. It's not necessary you change the color of your logo, you know. If you like that color like that, you can leave it like that, right? You can leave it like that. So you see what I was trying to say is not a must you put the color, you give it a color, you know. It's not a must. Now that you've given it a color, it's not looking like something else. So you can actually leave it like this. Just give it something fashionable. You mustn't join them together. You give this one a different nice color, a color that will bring out, yes. Or you need to know color that works best, that is good, that is nice, right? For you. I don't like what colors. Let me see. So you also change colors. So I saw some of us use that under shadow something. I like the fact that we are trying to explore, but so this is where we can use that shadow, 3D shadow. You can use it and make your text look like it's standing on something, right? That is the work of this shadow. You can choose any color and make it seem like it's standing on that color. So this is a colored logo. I'm going to be doing another one now, and we are going to do two different things. So this is it. This is how it works. So you join them together and you turn it to 3D. Of course, you're going to embrace it. So that is logo for you. You can add all your informations, every information you want to add. You can add it. So if you want to add shadow, but I don't like it when you add shadow, but sometimes you can as well add shadow, but not to all of them, right? You can add shadow to some of your work when you're writing up, like your write up. You can add shadow to some of the things you wrote, but no now. So let's see if we add any shadow, maybe dark one. So this determines where you want your shadow to be. Shadow is shadow now. If you want it to be together, you want it to go offset, you want it to go downward or upward, it all depends on you. So let's embrace it and reduce the depth of our 3D, right? We have to reduce it, we have to darken it. So let's change the background and see which background will suit it better. So another thing is background. This background might not go with our work. You always choose 1.1 ratio, because this particular ratio works for any. So this background is not bad. You go back, you make it oblique. Now you reduce the depth and you set you can darken it to be darker. But when you want to remove this thing not to be transparent, I always like to remove the I just remove all the edits and leave it at 2D. So you know where you set anyway. When you move it to the different degree, you see it's moving your the shadow to where you want it to be. So this is it. So you can increase the intensity, the look. You can do more editing. You can increase the hardness, reduce it. You can put more brightness. Where's the brightness? Okay, here. So you can make it to fade. So you can do so many things. Just try out so many things. This is the shadow, how dark you want it to be. So this is it, simple as that. You can do other things. You can just download anything from that app and just do something. And I made a mistake. So you always check your work before you save it. I really made a mistake. If you check my Instagram handle, it's saying real estate, and my Facebook is saying real estate. You have to check. If you make any mistake at this final point, you have to go back and correct it. That is, you have to start from beginning and correct it.